Hey guy, do you want to go exercise this evening?
That sounds great. What do you want to do?
How about thinking in the park not too far?
Good idea, we can run for about 30 minutes.
And after that, maybe some stretching or push up.
Perfect. What time shoot with me?
Let me at 5 p.m. at the park inside.
Okay, I bring a water bottle.
Guess you bow and fly.
Okay, set jogging.
Okay.
I'm so tired.
Me too, but I feel good.
Letting some water.
Yes, good idea.
See you tomorrow.